Hey everybody, Mark here, and happy March. Hey, it's been a year since lockdown, right? A year since the pandemic hit, and a year since we all went, what are we doing? So I just wanted to touch base and say, I hope that you and your family and your friends are all doing well, and that everybody stayed safe. I know this has been a really hectic time. Also wanted to come to you and let you know a little bit about what's going on in the market right now. So what you've probably heard on the news, social media, and all these different places is this lack of inventory and this panic that buyers are going through because they can't find a house, right? So let me do one thing, and that is I want to talk to you about the number of showings that are happening. So if you've got friends who are in the market or family and they're telling you, oh my gosh, there's 40 to 60, even 75 showings on some of these listings, and there's no way I can compete with that. Well, here's what's really happened. So prior to the pandemic, 2019, even 2020, we were holding open houses, right? And that meant that we could have a 2 to 3 hour window where as many people as possible could come through this new listing, and then we'd probably see 4 or 5, maybe even 10 offers on those places, right? Well, once the pandemic hit, CDC guidelines and the state of Wisconsin said no more open houses. Made a lot of sense. Safe, reliable, those types of things, right? So then what happened was we were relegated to doing only 30-minute showings. And if you think about that, Friday through Sunday, you have to get all 40 to 75 people through a home with only half an hour time slots. So from Friday to Sunday, the entire weekend is booked on these new listings with showings, right? But you're still only seeing 5 to 10 offers if the home is priced right. So it's the same type of thing, but all of these people are making it sound like there's nothing out there. There's all these weird things going on in the market. There really aren't. Just we stopped doing open houses, right? So what we do know is we do have a lack of inventory. We're down 30%. So if you look at January of 2020, there were 465 new listings in the Madison area. January of 2021, there were only 330. Then you look at February of 2020, and there were 309 new listings, whereas February of 2021, only 225 new listings. Right now, as we speak on the market, there are less than 300 homes on the market in the Madison area. That's a really low number. So if you look at an average market or a normal market, we probably have anywhere between 900 to 1,100 homes on the market for people to choose from. And that would be awesome because we have so many buyers who want to move to the Madison area, right? It's a great place to live. So that's all I wanted to do today, was talk to you a little bit about what's going on in the market and what's happening. Interest rates are still at an all-time low, so if you haven't refied, please look into doing that because you can still get 15 years at 2.2. You can still refi into a 30-year for under 3. But also, if you're looking to purchase, just know there are a couple of new strategies that we're using. If you or anybody else you know is looking to purchase, or if you're looking to sell especially, we could use the inventory. So hope this finds you well. Hope you're having a great day, and I'm glad you stopped by. Take care, everybody.